Hi, it's Robert Schwemmer and welcome to my channel. Over the Easter weekend, I made a quick run up to the Kern River in Central California. It had been nearly 40 years since my last visit, certainly long overdue. I ran into another YouTuber, BJ. Check out his Road and Reel channel to get the latest fishing updates. I posted his link in the description. BJ said that the North Kern Spring runoff near Kernville is about 500 cubic feet per second. You'll see it in the video. I hope you enjoyed my short video reconnecting with the river on this rainy morning in April and capturing a few river rafters having a splash. The Kern River is certainly a fisherman's paradise. There were plenty of anglers along its banks. This trip I didn't fish, but I certainly enjoyed some wild-caught albacore at my campsite. I truly hope you enjoyed this short adventure to the Kern River. Please like if you enjoyed it, and if you're not a subscriber, I hope you might consider. And join me on my journeys above, below the sea, and from the air. Thank you.